Hello everyone, welcome to this Blender tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change viewport display mode faster in Blender. So viewport display are this one, if you don't know, and if you change this you can do it from here, but if you want to be cool and if you want to be fast, if you want to reach higher productivity level in your life so you can do what you want. So what you have to do is to use the shortcut is Z, click on Z, and now we have this this shortcut that it's much faster and it can really help you a lot, I believe. So make sure you are using Z, make sure you click on Z, 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 Z if you want to be fast, if you want to increase your productivity in Blender. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.